Riboti ya rũhonge rwa ndari KNBS ya mwaka muthiru yonanitie kaunti ya Nyeri nĩ ĩmwe ya kaunti iria ikoragwo ina ciana nyingĩ iria ciũrũraga mataũni-inĩ, ciĩko iria maabitha thirikari maragiritania mũno na ũkĩa gatagatĩ-inĩ ga itũmi ingĩ.
We are here to disseminate the census report that was done in 2018 on the number of people that we have living on the streets in our country. So we are disseminating that information today that showed that Nyeri had over 900 persons who live in the streets. They are no longer just children, they are families who were born in the streets, could be in their third generation now, and the number continues to grow because by 2018 there were 46,639 people on the streets, and more children might have been born there, and we might continue having more. So we are here to actually discuss and have some input from the people of Nyeri County on the national policy on the rehabilitation of street persons.
CAS MINISTRIINI ya URIMI URIA NOWE baruthi mwamure wa guthingicira ciana iria cikaraga mataũni-inĩ hamwe na kuhitana na ciĩko cia irua ria tũirĩtu niwe Lina Chebi Kilimo augite ciana cia tũhĩ nicio cikoretwo cionekete gukorwo ithinĩkanĩtio mũno nĩ thĩna ũyũ, andeto ĩrĩa aragiritania na mwana wa kahĩ gukorwo atiganĩirio o ũndũ ũmwe na gũtũngagio bara kiundutho.
So you will notice that there are more male in the streets and the ladies. And the push factors, what is pushing them to come to the streets? It's well enumerated in the census, one of them being poverty and so many other things like corporal punishment and maybe family breakdown. And if you look at the mission of the Street Families Rehabilitation Trust Fund as per the Gazette notice, one of them was we have to make family-oriented programs to address the plight of the street families. So that will address the issues what's happening in the social environment. Then we have the pull factors, which we have ourselves to blame as a country because we are very generous. We are giving alms on the streets. It encourages them to come. It has encouraged until we have people from our neighboring countries who are with disabilities. They are almost found in every urban town now in Kenya because of the generosity of Kenyans. We are not stopping anybody from being generous, but the policy seeks to address and give guidelines on how you can channel that generosity without making it a pull factor for somebody to come to the street.
HB uria waritie hindi ya kigomano kinene na anyiti itemi matiganite kiria gitabaneirio mwena wa Ruring'u kaunti-ini ya Nyeri na muoroto wa gwetha kihonia gia thina uyu, akauga ni marathugunda ndereti ya watho iria rigitagira ciana ici kumana na kuhuthirwo uru ni andu na ikundi itiganite iria ikoretwo na matanya ma kwiguna kiumbe, akiuga mararongoreria gutigirira ciana ici ni ciahunduka kuri muingi hamwe na gutigirira ni ciakorwo igikinyirwo ni motungata na uteithio uria uheanagwo ni thirikari.
Generally, we have more men in the streets than the women, and that's why we are bringing in the issue of Nyumba Kumi. If you look at our policy, which we are going to go through, we'd like to address it that way so that for every 10 household, we must know what are the challenges that push people to go to the streets. And so we seek to have county chapters so that the issues of street persons, street families are addressed at the county level. And we also have way of how we would want this to be implemented, the structure that will be in our policy. The first one will be prevention, which is our P, and then the second one will be those who have already bolted out of the community. Then we have what you call 4Rs strategy, which is you rescue them, and it has to be rescued in a manner that is sustainable, because I have said from 2003, 17 years down the line, we have tried many ways of rescuing these people from the streets, taking them to CCIs, which we call charitable children's institutions, or other faith-based organizations. We have tried, or we've taken them to NYS. It has not been sustainable.
Nake munini wa county commissioner gicigo-ini kia Nyeri ya gatagati etagwo Benson Mwangi akagathĩrĩria itacokia rĩrĩ akiuga nĩ rĩgũteithĩrĩria hanene harĩ kwaura ciana icio mathĩna marĩa makoragwo makigerera ta wagi wa irio o ũndũ ũmwe na wagi wa indo cia mũthingi mũtũrĩre-inĩ.
Is here twarie nao tuthikiririe document iria mokite nayo tuone nĩ ha tũngĩthondeka na nĩ ha tũngĩ-comment ũhoro wayo, nĩgetha wĩra ũrĩa ithuĩ tũrutaga wa kũnyita ciana icio tũgekĩra marori tũgatwara children homes, twakinya kũrĩa tũkerwo gũtirĩ gĩkombe, gũtirĩ gĩciko, gũtirĩ mattress, gũtirĩ mũrengeti, thiĩ mũgũre mũtũrehere tondũ nĩ mwarehe ciana. Ũhoro ũcio rĩu ũgũkorwo wĩ in the past. Ũhoro wa andũ gũkaga makahe children home magacikora harĩa, street children magacikora magaciĩta, magathi makamahe mũgate na soda, mũthenya ũcio makarĩa, rũciũ matirĩ na gĩa kũrĩa, ndũgũkorwo ho rĩngĩ. After that document ya Madam Jebi wona yarĩkia go presentwo to the cabinet and it go to all the process, tũtigakorwo rĩngĩ na thĩna wa atĩ mũrigo wa ciana cia street nĩ wa national government, nĩ wa DC na timu yake ya security atĩ mamenye kũrĩa ciana igũthiĩ. Mũrigo ũcio rĩu ũgũkorwo ũcũbĩtwo once and for all.
Ngĩhuhĩra mũrori wa Mũgĩkũyũ kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Rware, niĩ njĩtagwo Mũigai wa Gathũngũ.